I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot of your monitor with one easy line. Alright, so all I have here is I just have a little scene here, and I have a texture rec where I'm going to display the image. Of course, if you're going to make a screenshot software, then you would need to, or you would simply just save it to the user's directory. User directory, picture directory, documents, wherever. And to set this up, I just have ignore size set on the expand just so I can fill up this entire area with my screenshot. And inside of the script, I just have 3 printing statements to show that we're waiting, when we're capturing, and when we've captured it. And then I give myself a 3-second timer to minimize things out of the way, because it does take a screenshot of your entire display. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is actually grab the image, and to do that, I'm just going to create my variable here called image, and that'll be set to display server dot get screen. There, the screen get image. Right, and then we pass in a monitor, so we could put in monitor 0, for example. Right, and then we come down, and then we need to create a texture out of that. So we say var text, which is going to be an image texture, and that'll be equal to an image texture dot create from image. Pass in our image variable that we created, and then I'll just get my texture rect and set the texture property of that to equal our text variable. And with that, if we go ahead and run this, I'll go ahead and minimize this, get this out of the way, give it its 3 seconds. We take a look. There's my entire desktop, or for this monitor at least, displayed and captured right there. And that, of course, changes with these. I have no idea which one of these is going to be screen 1, but we'll take a look and we'll see. Alright, my vertical monitor, it's got OBS on it, is screen monitor 1, I guess. So that's completely stretched across, which means monitor index 2 is probably going to be my graphics display tablet down at the bottom. So you can see you can capture any of your monitors. You can take a screenshot of them right there. Alright, and if you want to use a rect2i to define points on your screen, you could go ahead and do that and use screen get image rect, pass in your rect coordinates, right, from your rect2i, and you only capture that segment of your screen, as you see there. Alright, so there's the 2 functions that you can look at for if you want to be able to maybe create your own screenshot software, and just in general how to take a screenshot of your display itself if you wanted to. Alright, that's it for this one. Take care, have yourselves a good one, and I'll see you guys next time.